Here we go, Shelley foss. So I got the frames and shears or strips all sanded down so everything's flush. Now I'm just test fitting the bottom here. What I'm gonna do, just gotta trim off a bunch. I think I gotta scoot it back further because this is way too far forward here. So scoot the whole thing back just a little bit. But to get the plywood to form and hold its shape, best thing you can do is you spray a little Windex with ammonia on her, and then soak the wood and clamp it and leave it there for a day or two. So this is going to be quite the process just to get this bottom sheeting on here. It's quite the complex curves. Here it goes up like this, goes around, and then it tapers in really quickly at the front. So and once you get that all glued down, one side's easy because you got room to clamp it, to glue it. Let's see here. I have to do a little more fitting here. I got this gap right here and here. So that means I need to take some out of the wood right here in this area to move everything up that way closer. So that will be a little bit more sanding, pre-fitting, then it'll be soaking, and then what I like to do with my boats is I take and put a epoxy on the inside, lay a real thin piece of fiberglass on there, and then clamp it down, and that way you've got your fiberglass inlay all the way across all the frames. You don't have to cut out little pieces and try and put them inside. So there's a bottom sheeting fitting update.